Quick update for Tuesday, February 4th. Hope everybody had a good day of trading. S&P opened up, shot straight up, and then kind of traded in about a 25-point range, all kind of from late morning all the way through to the end of the day, which is a fantastic day for selling 0 DTE premium. So made some money on those. Well, let's go through these. So made a really good day of day trading. Day traded, maybe overtraded a tad, but a little over 2,700 on my day trades. Had some SPX iron condors. This one I took to the bell for a pin, half of it. This started with 4 lots. Took 2 to the bell, closed the other 2 at 50%. Mahomes was a little bit of a loser. So my Mahomes was a little loser, and my British Iron Condors were losers. Although everybody else in my community seemed to have a really good day with British Iron Condors. For some reason, I had several double stops, just kind of luck of the timing sometimes. Otherwise, everything else was a winner. I had another Iron Condor in this account that I took the last couple contracts to the bell for a pin. My calendars didn't take any off, but added a 2-4, 1-3, 1-2, and a 2-3, or the 2-4 I added yesterday. So no closed calendars today, but overall, just a really good day. We've got, the other thing was PLTR. So I put on an upside broken wing butterfly for earnings. PLTR ended up 23.2%. So blew through my sweet spot of my calendar, or excuse me, butterfly, and is up in the, again, no risk to the upside, but just a tiny profit. So if we can get a little bit of a pullback into that area between now and Friday, I would start booking some profits, kind of scale out. I also put on a post-earnings bullish trade like we teach in our earnings course here. It's come down a little bit since I put this on, but looking for a potential continuation. So putting these both together, I've got the peak of the butterfly. If we move down, I could book some profits by Friday. Or if we continue to run higher, I've got the call side of my VRR, which could book some profits. Or if we just hang out in here, I'll book a minimum profit. So looking good there. As far as earnings after the bell today, we've got a couple big ones. AMD, which has not been having a good time lately. It's been pretty much down, and you can see it's down after earnings. And then Google, aka Alphabet, also down after earnings. Google had an expected move of about 12.5, so that would put it down at about 95-ish. Yeah, it's a little bit below its expected move, right around there. And then the other two big ones, well, there's Snap, is also after the bell. It's up a couple bucks. Chipotle, CMG, is down. And then two that are before the market opens tomorrow are Uber, which obviously hasn't moved because their earnings is tomorrow morning. And then, but if you look at a daily chart of Uber, it's well off of its all-time highs. Couple decent bounce days here. And then the other one tomorrow morning is Disney, which has not really recovered from a lot of the kind of post-COVID fallout, but kind of mid-range here from where it's been over the last couple years, and it reports in the morning, so we'll see what happens there. I didn't take any earnings trades. I just didn't have a good feel for any of them. It was probably a good thing because Google, which hit a new all-time high today, I probably would have been bullish on that one. AMD's been beaten up. Probably would have been bullish on that one just because I thought it might get a bounce. And just really looking at the trend of the overall broad market, I probably would have went long on both of those, and both of those are down. So probably a good thing I didn't take any of those. Those earnings plays are a little bit of a crapshoot. Just taking a small amount of risk for a nice potential profit with those broken wing butterflies is the way I've been liking to play them the last couple of years. So no earnings trades, but we'll see what happens. Might take some post-earning trades if we get some setups tomorrow morning. Otherwise, look forward to a good tomorrow. Good rest of your week. Cheers. Have a good night.